What is up, hackers? Welcome back to another episode of Hack Crypto. We hack all of our crypto education. We're going to kick this off with a quick giveaway. Comment credit line below for a chance to win this giveaway. I will pick somebody at random below in the comment section, but be sure to like and comment with the word credit line. Now, the majority of Bitcoin hodlers don't want to sell their Bitcoin. If you're brand new to the channel, I've done a lot of videos on collateralized loans in the past, but I've never done a video on a Bitcoin credit line. So in this video, I'm going to be going over Roxom. And this is a really cool new platform that has a Bitcoin-backed credit line. That's right. And it's at 7.25% is where they're starting, which beats pretty much all collateralized loan platforms that I've talked about in the past, because it's a very low rate. So the reason that you would be doing a collateralized loan or a credit line is because you don't want to sell your Bitcoin and have that tax liability strapped on to your crypto holdings. Now, the idea here is that you can pull out some of that liquidity without having a taxable event. You can use it to purchase a business, you can invest it, you can do whatever you need to do with it while having that loan against it. This is how high net worths and wealthy individuals operate their lives, where they minimize their tax liability and they're able to actually pull out liquidity from their assets. The most commonly used one is going to be a HELOC or HE loan. And this is on property, like real estate, where you are going around pulling out equity after you buy an investment property and you're using it to buy another investment property, or you're using it to buy or invest in a business, something like that. So there are other ways that people have utilized this instrument over the last 20, 30 years. And now it's coming into the crypto space, and I've done a couple videos on different products in the past. And I'm really excited about this Roxom product because credit lines are really, really important because you can draw from them and it allows you to have kind of this revolving line. So in this video, I'm going to go through a really quick demo to show you guys what this looks like. And I'm also going to explain how people are using it to buy strategy. Now, if you're not familiar with strategy, it used to be MicroStrategy led by Michael Saylor. And this is one of the most viral companies on earth. I believe it is probably going to be one of the, if not the most valuable company on earth over the next 20 years. And there is a lot of financial sort of backflips going on when it comes to understanding what strategy does. But in a nutshell, what it is doing, it is buying a bunch of Bitcoin, and people are able to invest in strategy stock, and you get a dividend paying you every month for that investment. And that is just a very high level version of what strategy is, but they have a ton of Bitcoin. I believe they're approaching 4% of the supply, which is crazy to think about. But Saylor, if you haven't followed him on social media, it's definitely worth checking him out. He is a Bitcoin bull to the max. So after I go through this quick demo of showing you what it looks like to take out a small credit line against Bitcoin, I'm also going to talk about strategy. And of course, there are risks always involved in any sort of leverage, ladies and gentlemen. The price is always going up and down. We're in a bear market currently in the crypto space. So when I've talked about this in the past, I always tell people during a bear market, when the price is low is the best time to utilize products like this. Because when the price is high, you're going to get a margin call when it comes back down. So this is not financial advice by any means. Now, this is technically a sponsored review because I reached out to Roxom when I saw that they were releasing this product. And since I've done a series on this in the past, I love to talk about these types of instruments, mainly because during bear markets, this is the best time to utilize different types of collateralized loans and different types of credit lines, because when the price is low, you're able to actually ride it back up. And you don't have to worry as much. You still have to worry about that margin call potential. But if the price is going to be going up, you have the ability to upsize that loan or draw more from that credit line as the price appreciates. So from a high level, what is Roxom? Roxom is building what it calls a Bitcoin native capital market. Now, instead of everything basically being around dollars or US dollars, Roxom wants financial products built around Bitcoin as that base layer asset. So Roxom has raised significant venture funding, and they've been building this platform to really allow you to settle using Bitcoin, which is exciting. Think of Roxom as being a Bitcoin first version of our traditional capital markets that we think about. In other words, I could go on to this platform and I could purchase strategy stock, and I could settle in all different types of currencies, especially Bitcoin. So briefly, I want to touch on strategy here before I dive into the demo, because it is all over my feed. People are talking about it because the price goes all over the place. And effectively what you have is a company led by Michael Saylor, who's this extreme Bitcoin bull, very intelligent guy. And he has really orchestrated like a money glitch to be able to raise a bunch of money as debt and purchase more Bitcoin, adding it to the treasury. Now, it was originally a software company, and today it's best known for basically accumulating massive amounts of Bitcoin. And they pivoted and changed the name from MicroStrategy to Strategy, and it just continuously raises money, like nonstop raises money and buys more Bitcoin, adding it to their treasury. And I think that many investors view Strategy as like a kind of proxy to get access to exposure to Bitcoin. And I think it's a really interesting investment vehicle where people can kind of get exposure in these traditional brokerages, because it's on like Robinhood, it's on Fidelity, it's on all of these platforms. So you get exposure on their sort of traditional platforms to Bitcoin. So once again, to reiterate, when you're buying Strategy, you're not buying Bitcoin directly. You are buying shares of a company whose primary strategy is accumulating massive amounts of Bitcoin. Jumping to Roxom here, what we're talking about is depositing Bitcoin as collateral. You keep the Bitcoin ownership, which is key, not your keys, not your coins. That is a famous term or a famous saying that has been used for 10 plus years in this space. You keep your ownership, receive your loan against that Bitcoin, and you use the funds to purchase additional assets. And why people like it? There is no taxable event. It is not a Bitcoin sale. And basically what you have is exposure to Bitcoin's upside. And that's why I mentioned earlier in the video that doing this during a bear market is crucial, because while the price is low, you get that upside in the future, and it's lower risk as that loan to value changes. All right, lastly, before we get into the demo, this is leverage. This is risk. And just like any tool or instrument, you have to know what the upside is, but also you need to look at the downside first. And leverage increases both up and down. So what I said before is not financial advice of doing this during a bear market. Is what a lot of people that I respect do. It is what I do. It is what a lot of people get involved in when the prices are low, because your risk of the downside is lower because the price is lower. And the risk of going up, or the bet that the price is going to go up, is much greater. In my opinion, and in many people that I respect's opinion, that is the best time to use leverage like this. Let's jump on to Roxom. Let's show doing a USDT credit line against Bitcoin, and let's show the purchase of Strategy stock on the Roxom platform. And overall, this is very exciting because the settlement is in Bitcoin. So like I said before, Roxom is trying to be this Bitcoin native financial capital market. All right, so from the homepage, you can see 7.25% APR up top there for the credit line. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the line first. We will put our $204 line, open that line up. And once we have the credit line open, we are going to add it to our funding account. So from there, we're going to transfer it over from our balance, confirm the transfer. There we go. So our funding account has the credit line funds in it. And then from there, we're going to trade USDT for Strategy. Really cool and seamless way of opening up a credit line from our Bitcoin and using it to trade all different types of assets right here on one platform. Super cool and slick. So that is it for my overview of Roxom real quick. I want to do more videos on the credit line product and the product in general of the Bitcoin native capital market. Understanding loan to value here is crucial. So let's say you have 100,000 in Bitcoin and you want to take out a $25,000 loan. Then your LTV is 25%. So if Bitcoin falls, your collateral value drops, your LTV rises. Eventually you face a margin call, which I have had. You face additional collateral requirements and liquidation risk. Now, these are all fancy terms for saying if the value goes down, you have to top up what you initially took out. So again, the Bitcoin flywheel thesis here is people like Michael Saylor and Strategy believe that Bitcoin appreciates over time. If you can accumulate like Strategy Bitcoin over time, Bitcoin-backed loans unlock liquidity, and liquidity can be used for more Bitcoin exposure. Now, this is leverage on top of leverage. This isn't the kind of average person isn't going to be doing something like Strategy where you're just basically levering up on top of leverage. So the last thing that I'll leave you with for all the Bitcoin bulls out there, Roxom really is allowing people to unlock this liquidity. So borrowing funds to buy even more Strategy is a unique strategy. And I've heard of people doing this. I've seen people doing it. And I think that it's a really interesting way of basically getting multiple lines of exposure to Bitcoin. And it's an exciting time because the price is low. A lot of people always panic during bear markets, but I always get excited because during drawdowns like this, people are coming out with awesome instruments like this and different ways that you can really get involved. And always do your own research. There's margin calls, there's liquidation risks. Always know that going into this, and being able to not sell an asset and borrow against it is how the wealthiest people on earth operate. So this is bringing this to the masses, and I love supporting something like that to help people get access to credit lines and more capital. So that is it for this episode. I hope you guys like this type of review. I'm going to be doing more in this series that I've been talking about over the last 2 years with these types of products. But if you like it, slap a like, and I will see you here in the next episode of Hack Crypto.